warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, saya Oktarina Putri dari kelas 3BA. Di sini saya akan mempraktekkan cara membuat dimsum ayam dan sausnya.
First step is make the dough in a large bowl. Mix the mashed chicken, garlic, carrot, leek, and then add the salt, pepper, and taste release, and 2 eggs. Add the salt ketchup to taste. Then kneading it with hand. The next, add 5 tablespoons of starch and then kneading again. And then put 1 tablespoon of the meat mixture and wrap it the dinsum skin. Then give a carrot topping on the dinsum. After that, put a little oil in the steamer and place the dinsum on the steamer. Saute the garlic in a little oil, then add the ground chilies and the sauce, and add the little water and sugar to taste.
Tada, ini dia plating yang telah saya lakukan. Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.